Hey everyone, it's Dawn here. So, I had so many comments about how my power button on my EX30 wasn't soldered on. And so I took this apart and I'm looking at it. And so when you're looking at it in real life, it's like this. And I'm like, what are you guys talking about? It's not soldered on. Like, it is so tiny. Now, remember, if I zoom in, so here, let me zoom. If I really zoom in, then, okay, I can see the little bit of solder there, a little bit of solder there, and it's kind of missing on this side. But this is really zoomed in, you guys. Like, really, you expect me to get a little teeny tiny bit of solder? I mean, all of them are kind of like that top one doesn't have solder, right? But the bottom one does. And let's check this side. This is the spin Killswitch. That one has solder, that one has solder. Right? Am I saying this correctly? So you think that I can do that without just globbing a huge blob of solder on there? All right, we're gonna try. But this is kind of ridiculous. I mean, considering I have almost 6,000 miles on this wheel without any problems with the power button, other than that it was hard to push. And now it's super easy to push because I did that trick, which, by the way, if you don't want to use WD-40, you can use contact cleaner, or Marty recommends, what does he recommend? Denatured alcohol, which you'll have to look it up. It's special alcohol that is not even legal here in California, I guess. Anyways, all right, let me see what I can do about these little teeny tiny solder. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't solder. I can't do electrical work. So let's see if we can break this wheel too. All right, that was quick and easy. I don't know if I did it right, but let's see. There is now solder, 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 solder. It's not pretty, but it's there. And let's see, where's my finger? My button is very securely on there. And more importantly, I did not break my wheel. My wheel still turns on very easily. So, yay, the button works. There is solder there, so all good. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for the recommendations. Please do not ask me to solder anything else. I think electricity and me do not mix for some reason. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.